Long ago, in ancient Britain, a boy named Arthur lived with his uncle, the ruler of the land. Arthur didn't know he was the son of the king, as his parents had died when he was young. When the king passed away unexpectedly, the kingdom was left without a ruler. Soon after, a mysterious event took place. A large stone appeared in the middle of a busy city, and a sword, Excalibur, was embedded in it. A sign read, "Whoever pulls the sword from the stone will be the true king of Britain." People from all over the kingdom tried to pull the sword out, but no one could move it. Strong knights and brave warriors used all their strength, but the sword stayed stuck. One day, Arthur was walking through the city with his friend when they saw the crowd gathered around the stone. Curious, he asked, "What's happening?" A knight replied, "Only the true king can pull the sword from the stone." Though Arthur didn't know he was the true king, something inside him told him to try. He stepped forward, grabbed the sword, and pulled with all his might. To his surprise, it came out, easily, as if it weighed nothing. The crowd gasped in amazement. One of the knights shouted, "This boy is the true king." Arthur was shocked and confused, but the people cheered. They believed he was the rightful king, and soon Arthur was crowned King of Britain. As King Arthur, he ruled with wisdom and kindness, bringing peace to the kingdom. He gathered brave knights at his round table, and together they protected the land and ensured justice. Arthur's story spread far and wide. He became known as the king who pulled the sword from the stone.